How to make money on Pinterest in 2023, opportunities and strategies. Making money on Pinterest primarily involves driving traffic to external websites or selling products. Here are 10 steps to help you monetize your Pinterest account. Niche selection. Choose a niche or topic that you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. Create a business account. Convert your Pinterest account into a business account to access analytics and other tools. Quality pins. Create high-quality pins that are visually appealing, informative, and well-designed. Keyword optimization. Use relevant keywords in pin descriptions, titles, and boards to improve discoverability. Consistent pinning. Regularly pin content, both your own and others, to keep your profile active and engaging. Optimize boards. Organize your pins into relevant boards that reflect your niche. Affiliate marketing. Use affiliate links on your pins to earn a commission for sales generated through your referrals. Promote your blog or website. If you have a blog or website, pin your content to drive traffic and potentially earn through ads or affiliate marketing. Merchandise or printables. If you have a product-based business, create shoppable pins or pins for printables. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and engage with your followers. Building a community can lead to higher engagement and more opportunities for monetization. Remember that making money on Pinterest, like any social platform, takes time and dedication. Focus on providing value to your audience, staying authentic, and adapting to changes in the platform's algorithms and trends. Subscribe for more ways to make money online.